Behind me you see the Skinny Bridge, the most photographed wooden drawbridge in Amsterdam. The original bridge was built around 1691 and later it was restored and adapted a number of times. In the evening, around 1200 lights illuminate the contours of the bridge. But during ALF, the bridge looks different. Virtual artist Nacht Tekening was requested to make something special, and he did. He took the iconic fonts of this famous bridge, mixed them up and then put them back on the bridge. He used 500 extra lights with the same shape as those already on the bridge, so they look like the authentic lights of Amsterdam. He also covered part of the standard lamps to make it even more chaotic. Some lights are orange, which color is used on national holidays. The artist gives the Skinny Bridge a whole new look, and with that the bridge is disrupted. It is very special that such a well-known icon is positioned so differently. It is the first time that Nacht Tekening works with light. As a visual artist, he focuses on the question of how we experience space. His work is exhibited internationally and is included in both private and public collections, including the Stedelijk Museum Amsterdam.